In this particular video, let us read something about this meter. Let us study something about this inhibitor from the JPM group of industries, right? So they have manufactured this meter, is being installed also in the state of Meghalaya. Depending on the load requirement or how many loads you are connecting, then this meter can be installed, or you can choose this meter. So this is the specification. This meter, the rated voltage is 240 for each phase, and it's a 3-phase, and you measure phase to phase voltage, it will be 415 volt. So the current rating is 10 to 60 ampere, but if we express in terms of kilowatt, it will be 5 to 40 kilowatt, right? But that also depends on your load. Suppose, for example, if you have a single load, is a motor, a 3-phase motor or something, then up to 35 kilowatt capacity of that motor can be run or can be supplied from this meter. But if the loads are individual like that, then it should be each phase can load up to 5 kilowatt only. So depending on the type of load, you can choose this accordingly. And this is a 3-phase 4-wire smart energy meter, because inside this we have the SIM card also, it can be inserted, and even the reading of this, the data from this meter also can be downloaded from the this port. Okay, so this is how it can be done. And this particular meter, it actually give you the kilowatt hour, the energy consumption, that is a kilowatt hour, the active energy consumption. It gives you also the apparent energy consumption, kVA, AH, or your reactive power, which is there in the system, also will be recorded by this meter. And this is the connection. If I just open this top cover, you'll see the numbering here. It will be like this: 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, 8, that means it is a 4-wire, right? So the very first one will be your this is called a directly connected meter, which is directly connected. We are not using any CT or PT, we are just directly taking this. It's like your throw meter, right? So the very first one, this is like the R phase will enter through this and will come out from here, and then we'll go to the load, in out, like that, right? In out. And this one also for Y phase, in out, and this for B phase, in and out, and then the neutral will also go in and out like that. Okay, and then it will go to the load, and connection has to be done according to this circuit diagram which is there in front of you. So this is how it goes to the load, and the connection is very simple. And this is the little bit about the JPM group of industries. I'll be just showing also, like, if this is overloaded, what it will show in the screen. If power consumption has exceeded the rated the rating of this meter, it will show you certain thing in the screen, in the display. Or if the current is overloaded, that will also show you, as you see in the screen here. The display will be like this. And if there is over voltage also, the display will be like this. And you see there the meter constants also. There are 2 meter constants here. One is the active energy consumption. The constant is 1000 impulse. Okay, so this is the you see here the CL.1. this is the active pulse LED, right? So for every unit of energy consumption, there will be 1000 number of impulses that will blink in the form of LED. And same thing for reactive power consumption also. For every unit of reactive power, kVAh, the LED CL.2 will blink 1000 times. All right, so this is how this meter works. And then see, this meter, as I said, that the rating is only up to depending on the nature of the load. So say I take it as a 10 kilowatt, right? So this will fall under the LT metering, and LT metering means your power consumption will be built on the basis of the reactive, on the basis of the active power consumption. That's why the meter constant of kVAh has not been given in this particular case. It has only been given for the active power consumption only.